How you doing, ladies and gents? So yes, today's video, basically this is my DJI Mavic Pro drone, and I've had some issues with it since I've first purchased it, and as if you can see from there, I'm pretty sure the stabilizer is not fitted correctly or something and it ended up saying gimbal overload. So what we're gonna do is undo these screws all there, and yes, down there, and we're gonna take the body apart. Vibration board, and as you can see, it's all intact and doesn't seem to move, because when I was recording it was just all shaky and was not stable at all. So we'll be replacing that. And as a lot of you know, the flex cable tends to become faulty on it, so yes, we're gonna get this all fitted up and hopefully take her out for a fly and get some epic footage up for you, ladies and gents. I'm excited. Woo! We're gonna go ahead and remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all them screws are out. As you can see inside there is that ribbon cable. Need to slowly and carefully right, it just popped up as I pried it up. So that is out. And yes, just make sure you don't disconnect any other cables on the way out. So literally, I just pulled it forward, up like that, just taking my time slowly and being very careful, and here we have inside, and thankfully there's more tutorials. Ha! Look at that, it's right in front of me and it's right on my computer screen. Lovely. So and there's 4 screws here. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to remove those. Then I need to remove that, that, and that. And yes, have to be very careful with this. And yes, the gimbal should just drop down after that. May need a pair of tweezers. Be very careful. Thankfully I've got a magnetic screwdriver. gently pry it off like that. Take your time. Get another tool if that one don't work. Right, I just popped it up from the back because I found that would be a little bit easier for me. Right, now for the ones with the silicone on here. Break away that silicone. If you don't have the patience, do not attempt this. Take that bit of residue away. As you can see, just slowly took my time to pry those open, and that should be ready to come out now. Right, so I now have my gimbal out. It was literally recording like that, which is no good, and by the looks of it, that needed replacing anyway, which I have here. So let me go and open this up and inspect it, see if there's a difference. Ouch. Right, ladies and gents, as you can see, that is my brand new board. Literally hardly any movement, and look at the distance. So yes, this one was faulty, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. So now what I have to do is remove these two Phillips, which look like they are not even attached to the board, whereas as you can see on this one, they are still attached, hence the faulty shaky camera. So let's go ahead and remove those. Ooh, yeah, that's one, and that is number 2. I've been given some brand new screws, thankfully. Ladies and gents, don't do what I just done. Basically, yeah, as you can see, the cable's just ripped off from here and there, but thankfully I have a new cable to go on here. Yeah, so the way it should have been done. Where's the tweezers gone? Right here. Remove these rubbers. Oh, don't do it like that, that's just breaking it. So, these are fragile, just take your time. Like so. Get over one side and over the other side. Like so. So yes, this was definitely faulty. Yeah, I'm just taking my time to clean up these connections because I'm pretty much ready to get the cable back in, and yeah, just do not rush it, whatever you do. I'm going to stop recording, to be honest, and take my time to get this all assembled back together because I really need this, as I've got more content to upload for you ladies and gents, and yeah, I just want to go to the next level of my YouTubing lifestyle. So yeah, fingers crossed, and yeah, good luck to whoever's attempting this. So I've got it all into position, as you can see. Whether the cable is done correctly, that is another question. I'm gonna have to test it and find out. Yeah, this is a job for the professionals, really. So I've got to still swap these over, so because this had a lot of movement. It's off now, could have been because of the bands. So what I'm going to attempt to do is put this cable straight through without taking this off, and yes, oh, do you know what? I don't think that might work, although I can try my best. And be very, very, very fragile, because this was the one that I broke initially. Oh yes, thankfully it's on there and it's through. Woo!
Oh, Philip.
Right, ladies and gents, do you know what? I'm so grateful. Yes, as you can see from the video, I went to repair my drone. It didn't happen, so I came to see this gentleman here. Awesome gent. What's your name there, sir?
My name's Tad, I'm from P6, and we just fixed this guy's drone.
Happy chappy. I'm going to try it out and we're going to get a footage up. So yes, whoever's got a broken drone, come check these guys out. Awesome. And yeah, literally you'll just stand there and start talking, having a conversation. But yeah, other than that, peace, bless, and yeah, get your drones fixed, people. Fantastic news, ladies and gents. As you can see from that footage, my drone works absolute magnificent. Thank you very much, T-Fix. You lot are awesome.